Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get your client list from Vagaro. Now, I know you might be wondering why this is important. Well, there are a few reasons. First, your client list is a valuable asset. It contains all of the information you need to contact and market to your clients. Second, having your client list in a separate file can help you stay organized and keep track of your client's information. So, how do you get your client list from Vagaro? I'm going to show you two methods. Method 1. Exporting your client list as a CSV file. This method is the easiest and most straightforward. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Customers tab. Click on the Customer List button. Click on the Run Report button. Select the Export button. Choose the format you want to export your client list in: CSV, Excel, or PDF. Save your client list to your computer. Method 2. Using the Vagaro API. This method is a bit more technical, but it gives you more control over how your client list is exported. Create a Vagaro API key. Use the Vagaro API to retrieve your client list. Save your client list to a file. Once you have your client list, you can use it in a variety of ways. For example, you can import it into a CRM system, use it to create marketing campaigns, send personalized emails to your clients. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.